Tonight, the Georgia Council for Recovery teaming up with the Rise Up Recovery Community Organization in Dublin. The reason? Trying to prevent overdoses while at the same time promoting addiction recovery support. Jasmine Lee tells us about some of the community's concerns and how these groups hope they can help.
Right through these doors is where several Dublin groups gathered with the public to speak about fentanyl crisis and drug recovery. Several families attended in hope of breaking the stigma of drug addiction. Several local authorities in Lawrence County discussed ways to decrease the amount of deaths from overdoses involving fentanyl.
I'm pretty sure they were afraid.
Christine Rojas was motivated to come to the meeting as she continues her recovery journey. She's been sober for 9 months.
I'm one of many, and then a lot of my brothers and sisters, in God's name only, have passed on.
Losing 7 siblings to overdoses has made her recovery difficult, but she says she's committed to staying strong to break her family's vicious drug cycle.
They took that last ride or that last relief of misery, and I am very upset about it.
Rojas stood with others in the room who shared their personal struggles with addiction and sobriety.
What else are we doing in the community?
According to the Georgia Department of Health, fentanyl overdose deaths increased by more than 300% from 2019 to 2022. Some people spoke about needing more resources like Narcan boxes around the community. Others mentioned needing to educate deputies on what to do in a situation where someone's suffering from an overdose.
The last time I had experience with it, it was like almost died.
Ashley Black, the director of Rise Up Recovery, says fentanyl is a problem in Georgia, so she says it's important for her group to reach out and offer more solutions.
Making Narcan and fentanyl test strips accessible to our communities, advocating for the local legislation or the state legislation that's going to be going into session soon that supports recovery.
Ashley Black says they hope to reduce the number of lives lost to overdose. In Dublin, Jasmine Lee, 13 WMAZ News.
Ashley Black says if you or a loved one is struggling with addiction, you can reach out to them at 478-353-1188 or at riseupdublin.com to get the help you need.